What's going on YouTube? It's your boy fwStick, aka Stick, coming at y'all with a quick little video on how to get y'all Discord on Streamlabs so you can showcase it if you're streaming or recording. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notification. I do be live on Kick, by the way, and I will drop my Discord as well down below in the description. But let's get this video quick because I don't like making these type videos long. But as you can see right now, I have my Discord up right here, and this is how my layout looks. And now I'm going to go switch over into the new scene. If you haven't already, how you make a new scene, you press the plus button right here, and then you add that right there. And then this is how you should have your thing. Is you're gonna have a black screen, but I just have mine up like this so I can show you guys. So what you want to do after that is you want to press sources, and then you want to go down to window capture. There is multiple ways to do this. I will show that other way as well if you have multiple monitors, but this way right here is if you just want to have this up on your screen just because that window's open on one monitor. So I'm going to name this one Cord 1 just for this video, and then the next screen that's going to pop up is going to be where you can pick your whatever you have open. So whatever the title of your Discord is, that's what's going to pop up. That's what's going to be the name of it. So my Discord is called Hotbox. Like I said, I'm gonna drop that down in the description below, so make sure I go ahead and tap into that, and boom, pops up. Now I'm going to show you how to add the other one as well. So let me just close out that one. So if you have multiple monitors, I have my monitor right here. I have 3 of them. So I have my monitor right here on the right of me, so I use that one for my Discord only. So again, you press sources, press the plus button, and then you press display capture. You add sources, press that button. You can press new, press that little thing at the bottom, and I'm gonna name this Core 2. So like I said, my Discord is on the right side. Hold up, let me fix this so y'all can see my stuff still. Alright, boom. So let me go back into it. And if you have that problem, just right click it and press properties, and then press whatever monitor you have that display up. So my Discord is on monitor 2, so I'll just go ahead, boom, click it just like that and add it over there so you can see everything. So that's how you do it. Matter of fact, let me show you how to add the audio as well. Go back to sources again, and it's called application audio capture beta. Add sources again, and like I said, I'm gonna name this Cord sound, and then next feature pop up Windows, and then like I said, whatever your title of your Discord is, that's what's going to pop up as the title of it, and you just go ahead and click that, exit out, and then I'll leave and join back. So you hear the sound right there. So that's how you get your Cord sound working. If y'all need help with anything else, let me know in the comment section. As you can see, I got a layout already. I got a lot of stuff myself on my screen, so I know how to work it a little bit. So if y'all new to the channel and this video helped you out, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notification, man. It's your boy fwStick, and I'm out. I love y'all. Gang.